Hi, this is Diane with Watercolor Beginners and Beyond. I'm really excited to show you the prizes for this week's painting challenge. The challenge is Venice. Paint any scene in Venice. I've never been there. Hopefully someday I will. So the first prize is lifetime access to Michael Soloviv's. He is the artist behind watercoloronline.com. So one of the prizes is the access to this tutorial, which I highly recommend. It was such an amazing class. I learned so much from this. This is the first painting I've ever done where I actually was successful in doing kind of a loose, suggestive background. Usually I get bogged down in details and I overwork it, and I didn't. It's not overworked. I'm so excited. The second prize is an eco palette. This is such an amazing palette. It's very, very smooth, very well made. It's going to come empty. I bought the Daniel Smith paints to put in mine, the same as Michael uses, and love these paints also. But the prizes are this palette and the online access to this amazing, amazing tutorial.